Welcome children. So children, today we are going to deal with the most important chapter of class 11th mathematics, that is trigonometry. The trigonometry chapter we have already dealt in class 10 also. Here the first concept is we have learned degree measure. What is meant by degree measure? Consider a unit circle. Unit circle means a circle with radius is equal to 1. So we know that the angle, complete angle is equal to 360 degree. Or if we divide this complete angle into 360 equal parts, each part is known as 1 degree. Now this 1 degree part means this entire angle will be divided into 360 parts, so that we will get 1 degree. 1 degree, if it is divided into 60 equal parts, it is known as 1 minute. Then each part is known as a minute. That means 1 degree is the same as 60 minutes. Now this 1 minute is divided into again 60 parts, then each part is known as a second. So 1 minute is the same as 60 seconds. So this you remember how to convert degree into minutes and minute into seconds. 1 degree is the same as 60 minutes and 1 minute is the same as 60 seconds. So this is not known to you, this concept. We know this much only. Complete angle is of measure 360 degree. So if we divide the complete angle into 360 equal parts, we will get 1 degree. And 1 degree, if it is divided into 60 equal parts, we get 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree. And when 1 minute is divided into 60 equal parts, then each will be 1 second, or 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. And see the symbol also, how the minute and seconds are denoted. Okay, so this is based on the degree measure. Now there is one more unit, like for length we use meter, centimeter, kilometer, like that. So likewise in trigonometric angles also there is one more unit which is known as the radian. This symbol is used for radian. Power C we will write. Radian, this is a symbol for radian. So what is meant by this radian? Radian measure means, suppose we are considering again a unit circle. Unit circle means radius is equal to 1 unit, and consider an arc of length 1 unit. Arc is a part of circumference of the circle. So definitely this arc makes an angle at the center. This angle is known as 1 radian. So radian definition is this. Radian is the angle subtended by an arc of unit length in a circle of radius 1 unit. Okay, so now this is only for your knowledge. We have to learn how the degree measures are converted into radian and radian measures are converted into degrees. So for that you just remember 2 pi radians is the same as 360 degrees, or pi radians is the same as 180 degree. So to convert radian measure to degree measure, or to convert degree measure to radian measure, what is to be done? First we will see how to convert degree measure to radian. To convert degree measure to radian, we have to multiply by whichever measure is given in degrees, multiply it by pi by 180, and vice versa, means to convert radian measure to degree measure, radian measure to degree measure, we have to multiply the given radian measure by 180 upon pi. So these two rules you remember, how to convert degree measure to radian and radian measure to degree. So to convert degree measure to radian, we have to multiply the given degree measure by pi by 180, and to convert radian measure to degree, we have to multiply the given radian measure by 180 by pi. And whenever the fractional values are coming in degrees, you have to convert it into minutes and seconds. Okay. So in the NCERT book, first exercise, first 2 questions are for just converting degree measures to radian measures. So before that, we will see the standard values for some angles, in degrees and radians. Okay. Like what is the degree measure? What is the corresponding radian measure for 0 degree, 30 degree, then 45. This you have to remember, because in problems we will have to apply 180 degree, then 270 degree and 360 degree. At least this much you remember. So 0 degree is the same as 0 radian. 30 degree, how to convert degree to radian? Multiply by pi by 180. So this is the same as pi by 6 radians. 45 degree, it is multiply by pi by 180, we get pi by 4 radians. 90 degree, pi by 2 radians. Then 180 degree, pi radian. 270 degree, 270 into pi by 180. So we get this as 3 times 2 times 3 pi by 2 radians. and 360 degree is the same as 2 pi radians. So this standard conversion table you just remember because in problems we have to apply all these. Okay. Now NCERT first question, first part, we have to convert 25 degree into radians. So 25 degree is the same as 25 into pi by 180 radians, which is the same as 5 pi by 36. Okay. Now second question we will do, it is minus 47 degree, 30 minutes is given. Can we write it as minus 47? 60 minutes is 1 degree, so 30 minutes will be half degree. So can we write this as minus of 47 1/2 degree, or we can write it as minus 95 by 2 degree. Now convert it into radians, which is minus 95 by 2 into pi by 180 radians, which is, we can cancel by 5, so it is 19, this is 36, so this is minus 19 pi by 72 radians. Okay, so this is the method for converting degrees to radians. Okay, there are 2 more questions that you try by yourself. Now, how to convert radians to degree? We will see the first question. It is 11 upon 16 radians. We have to convert it into degrees. So to convert into degrees, we have to multiply by 180 by pi. And this pi value we can write as 180 by 22 by 7. So this is 2. If we divide by this 4, we get plus 315 divided by 8. Now normal division we will do, long division method. 315 will be divided by 8. It is 3 times 3 8s are 24, 75, which is 9 times, so 72 3. That is, we can write this as 39 3 by 8 degree. Okay. Now this part we can convert into 39. This part we will convert into minutes. That is 3 by 8 into 60 minutes. So we can write this as 39 degree, 180 by 8 minute. What is 180 by 8? Again we divide 180 by 8. It is 2 times 16. It is 20 again. So 22, 16, 4. So this can be written as 39 degree. See how the conversion is going now. 39 degree, 22 minute. Again 4 by 8 will come. 4 by 8 is the same as 1 by 2 minute, which can be written as 39 degree, 22 minute, 30 seconds. So this is the answer given in the book. Okay. So this way we have to convert degrees into minutes and seconds whenever fractional values are coming. Okay. We will see one more question. That is minus 4. Second part. Minus 4 radians. So this is minus 4 into 180 by 22 by 7, which is, this can be cancelled, 11. So it is coming as 180 into 14. 720. Again this will be 0, 8, 1. So it will be 2520. So it is minus 2520 divided by 11. Normal division we will do first. 2520 is to be divided into, is to be divided by 11. 2 times 22, then 32, again 2 times 22, 10. So 100, 9 times it is 1. Okay. So we can write this as 229 degree 1 by 11 into 60 minutes. So which is the same as 229 degree 60 by 11, it is 5 minutes into 5 by 11 minutes. Okay. So that is 229 degree 5 minutes. This can be multiplied by 60. So it is 300 by 11 seconds, which is equal to minus 229 degree 5 minutes, and this is approximately 20, 22, 87, 27, 28 seconds we can write. So this is the answer for converting minus 4 into degrees. Okay. So this way there are few more questions given that you try by yourself. Okay. In my next video I will be explaining length of our questions.